Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be walking you through how to edit contact information on your Intuit QuickBooks account. Now, don't forget we're using our Intuit QuickBooks online. Yes, that's what we're using. We're not using the app, we're using it online. So I'm using the account type here. So accountant type So we want to change, or let's say edit some of the information we put in initially when we're opening the account. So once you enter some of those information, how do you do that? Click on the name of your company. Click on the name of your company from the first front page. It automatically take you to this place, which is where you can manage your account and the settings. And then you can see this part for contact info. So click on the pencil icon. So now we can change our company email. We can change our customer facing email, which is where your customers can contact you and to be shown on your sales form. Company email is where QuickBooks alone can contact you, not your customers, just QuickBooks. So with the same thing, just click as same as company email. Then your company phone number is be shown on your sales form, put it in. The website is also be shown on your sales form, put it in. And once you're through editing everything, we're just clicking on them, editing them, and then pressing enter. Once you're through all this, then you just click on save. It's as simple as that. That is how to edit contact information on. I didn't have to edit anything at all. So let me change this. Let me just change something here. Let's say I want to use small letter instead. We want to change the name to Richmond Books. Alright. So I've changed that. So now this will also change when I save it. Right now it's not changed because I haven't saved it yet. But once I save it and we come back to it, still hasn't changed. Why? Oh yeah, we need to I keep forgetting to reload the page. So don't forget to reload the page whenever you make some changes and it doesn't show. Just simply reload the page after saving those changes. So let's see if it has changed now. It has. So it's as simple as that. Do not forget to like and subscribe. After clicking save, and you click on done so you can leave the page. So the settings will be saved finally. So that is how to edit contact information on Intuit QuickBooks online. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks.